Hello everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to learn classes and objects in Python. So this is one of the most important concept in Python because classes and objects are used in almost every real-world applications. So in this tutorial, we will learn what is a class, what is an object, how to create classes, how to create objects, and how to access variable and methods. So what is a class actually? So a class is a blueprint or template. Think about a car factory. The factory design contains car name, color, speed, but the actual car created from the design are called objects. So blueprint, we can say it's a class, and real item, we can say it's an object. So what is an object? An object is a real instance created from a class. For example, car is a class, but BMW is an object and Tesla is an object. So object can access all variable and functions inside the class. So one by one we will see its uses actually. So first of all we will see how we can create our class. So let's create a class first. So suppose to create a class we have to use class instance. Now student, suppose our class is student and name we can give something like, we can give a name Harry actually, Harry. Then we can give age, suppose 26. Okay, so far so good. So we will create an object. So suppose our object name is student1 and student, this is student class object. So what is our object? Our object is student1. Now we will print what? We will print student1 dot name. And what we will print? We will print student dot age. Okay, now let's print it and let's see whether it is successfully executing or not. Okay, there is some mistake, I guess. Okay, this is there, it should be student1. Is there any mistake? Okay, student is not defined, student1. So what is the issue here? Student, okay, it should be capital. Now what is the, okay, student not defined, student. Okay, perhaps we have to do one thing. It is format, it is format problem actually, I guess. So let's print it out. Here you can see it is executing successfully. So here you can see student is a class and student1 is an object. So now the object can access variable inside the class using dot annotation. Here you can see object is using the class variable using this dot annotation, and we can have its value Harry and age 26. So this is the overall concept of a class, which is nothing but a template, and this is an object. Okay, so I hope you understand this portion. So using student1 object, we can access the student class variable name and age. And dot notation is used to access class data through objects. Here we can create multiple objects. So instead of student1, we can create another object which can be student2. Okay, so this is student2. So using student1 object, I want to use the name and student2 object, I want to access student2 object, I want to access student class age. Okay, so it should print name and age. So using multiple object, I am using the class values, okay, or variable values. Okay, So let's clear it and let's run this portion. So here you can see, using student1 object, we are printing Harry, and using student2 object we are printing our age. Okay, so this is the concept of multiple objects. So both are created from the same class, and object can separately access class variables. I hope you understand this concept of class and object. So this is it for today, guys, and I'll see you next time.